Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Let's learn how to unfollow people who don't follow you back, so let's start. It's important to note that Instagram has a limit on the number of accounts you can unfollow per hour, so if you're planning to unfollow a lot of accounts, you may want to spread it out over a few days to avoid getting your account flagged for suspicious activity. First, go on your profile. After that, tap on following. Then go on someone's profile to see if his follow you. Now go on his following account. And type your nickname. If you don't see your profile, that means this account don't follow you on Instagram, and you are finished. And unfollow him. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.